Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share this beautiful summer breezy crochet tank top pattern with you. If you are looking for a lightweight, stylish and comfortable crochet project for the warmer months, this tank top is the perfect choice. It's airy stitch pattern, making it ideal for summer days, beach trips, vacations, or simply layering with your favorite outfits. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the entire process step by step, from the materials you will need to creating the stitch pattern and assembling the finished top. Whether you are an adventurous beginner or an experienced crocheter, you will be able to follow along and create your own customized tank top. You can easily adjust the length and size to fit your style and preferences, plus the simple yet elegant texture give it a modern and timeless look that you will love wearing throughout the season. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. If you enjoy crochet pattern tips and creative projects, you are in the right place. Now gather your yarn, hook and supplies and let's start crocheting this gorgeous summer breezy tank top together. For this summer breezy crochet tank top, you will need 150 gram yarn. Lightweight cotton or cotton blended yarn is preferred, but I have this baby yarn. For this project, you will also need 3.5 mm hook, pair of scissors, measuring tape, some stitch marker and a needle. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Create a foundation chain that matches your desired width. For medium to large size, I have knitted 144 chain stitch. Be careful not to twist the chain. Join the both ends with a slip stitch to form a circle. One chain stitch. Now we will work our first round into the chain. These are front and back loops. Rotate the chain. This is the third loop. Use the third loop to knit the single crochet. These are front and back loops and this is the third loop. In each stitch, knit one single crochet. Keep repeating this around the neckline. Continue your work all the way around the neckline until you reach the end of the round. Join with slip stitch. Let's begin our second round. I will work 3 chain stitch, 1 loop puff in the same stitch, skip 2 stitches, then work a 2 loop puff stitch in the third stitch. Chain 4, and then another 2 loop puff stitch in the next stitch. Skip 2 stitches. In the third stitch, knit the 2 loop puff stitch, four chain, one more puff stitch in the next stitch, repeat the work of 2 loop puff stitch, 4 chain and then another 2 loop puff. This will create the airy and elegant design of our blouse neckline. Keep repeating this pattern around the whole neckline. Join with slip stitch. After knitting 2 rounds, our neckline will look like this. For the third round, knit 2 slip stitches to reach the middle point of the 2 puff stitches. Knit 3 chain stitch. One loop puff stitch in the same stitch. At this round, we are simply repeating our pattern. Work 2 loop puff stitch, 5 chain stitch and another 2 loop puff stitch into the same space. In our previous row, we have knitted 2 puff stitches and 4 chain between them. In this row, we are knitting 2 puff stitches and 5 chain between them. Keep repeating this pattern around the whole neck, and you will see the neck of the blouse take shape beautifully. At the end of the row, knit 5 chain stitch. Join with slip stitch to close the round. This is the last row for the neckline. Now let's keep it simple. Work one single crochet into each stitch around the entire neckline. This row gives our work a tidy finish and helps define the shape before we move on to the next section. For this round, work 5 single crochet stitches into each 5 chain space. Then place 1 single crochet in the space between the 2 puff stitches. Continue repeating this pattern all the way around the neckline. This helps fill in the chain spaces and creates a neat structured edge for the next section of the blouse. Repeat this sequence around the entire neckline until you reach the end of the round. Join with slip stitch. I have finished the neckline of my top down blouse. In the next video, I will move on to the blouse section and continue the pattern. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join me for the next part. See you soon. I have crocheted this top using a raglan style construction which creates a nice seamless fit from the neckline down. If you prefer a simple blouse style, you can easily adapt this pattern by dividing the neckline into 4 equal sections and working your increases at those points. The basic stitch pattern remains the same, so you can choose the style that works best for you.